The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. There is some new news from Iceriver and Goldshell. There's a new Asic to mine Aleo. So there's an Iceriver Aleo miner, 50 mega hash, and it initially was listed for $4,300. And that's just a placeholder price. But the placeholder price has been dropped to $1,999 for the 50 mega hash per second Iceriver AEO Aleo miner. And then Goldshell also has a 37 mega hash, 360 watt Goldshell AE box Aleo miner. So let's check these out. So starting off with the Goldshell miner, the placeholder is $3,300, and who knows what it'll actually be when the real prices drop. It's 360 watts according to Asic miner value. It is making $27.56 per day at the current price of Aleo. And the Iceriver AE0 50 mega hash is making $38.45 per day. So the price of Aleo has gone down quite a bit, $6.50 when it was basically launched, all the way down to 61 cents today. It's down 14.8%. It's ranked 392 on CoinGecko. Market cap 186 million. Fully diluted valuation is 1 billion. And it's not exactly one of those squeaky clean launched coins. Let's take a look real quick at some of the tokenomics. Early backers, 34%. Grants and education, 25%. So that's a pretty big chunk for basically what would be considered VCs. You know what I mean? Like grants and education, okay, like that's to, develop and further promote and things like that, I'm sure. But early backers, 34%, that's a pretty big chunk. So I feel like these charts always tend to look like this when coins like this launch. They start off strong and then the VCs take their chunk. And I'm not sure, the tokenomics here. I just wanted to get this announcement out to you guys in case you were interested in looking at this and just having the information. Now, this was GPU mineable. We've known about this for a long time. It's one of those coins that you knew that ASICs were going to come for it. So the play usually is, buy it and mine it as early as you can when you find out about it, if you know ASICs will hit the network. And usually the price pumps because a lot of these ASIC manufacturers will kind of pump that price. So let's go ahead and take a look. Does Iceriver even have it on their website yet? I looked around. I have not seen it on the website yet. Today is January 18th. So it is not on their official website yet. And it is also not listed on Goldshell's official website yet. So somewhere along the line, some information probably got leaked, it sounds like, and it got picked up by resellers. And Crypto Miner Bros is one of the first ones that I saw that has the actual miners listed on their website with placeholders. So these prices are just placeholder prices. Like I said, I'm sure that they won't be like this when they actually launch. And you guys know the game. I feel like a broken record. Probably a lot of people that do these kind of videos also feel like broken records. It's saying you're going to make $38.45 a day. That's if you have one of these machines before anybody else does. And once all these machines get shipped out, the game. By the time you receive yours, this will drop drastically. And who knows what the price of Aleo will be, if there's tons of early backers that are going to cash out, and who knows what the hash rate will do when all these miners hit the network. So you can see the price action hasn't been that great. You can see that right now, one of these miners would make a ton of money, but the only people that are making money right now are the manufacturers that are probably pre-mining with these right now. So just be careful if you guys decide to go with one of these miners. They are just like all the other ones that have launched for Radiant, Alephium, Caspa lately, all these new, ASIC mineable coins. You get excited because you see the profitability, but then once you spend a couple G's on it, by the time you get it, you're making $10 a day instead of $40 a day. So just be careful if you go aping into one of these when they become available. I'm sure that more news will develop. I'll try to cover this as more news develops. If you do decide to buy mining equipment, since I was talking about Crypto Miner Bros, you can use their discount code, my discount code. It's greater for $70 off your order. Prices you see on the website are the prices shipped to your door. This is not a sponsored video by anyone. I'm just letting you know, Crypto Miner Bros is the one that I saw these miners listed on first. So that's why I showed them in this video. And I have the link to reputable resellers like TerraHashes, Crypto Miner Bros, Nhash. You know, there's Coastal Crypto. There's other guys that I have listed that are reputable. Be careful if you're buying these new miners from sites that you don't know. Use the links in the description. If you do, it helps out the channel a little bit, but also I know they're safe and you'll know they're safe. If they're in the description of my video, they are trusted resellers that I've worked with before and met. Some of them I've met in person and hung out with. You know, these are people I trust. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. I just wanted to bring the news to you real quick. You know, you can do a further research into the token itself, aleo.org. I'll leave the link to that in the description of the video as well. And don't forget, just be careful when you're aping into new coins and new miners. Speaking of new coins, okay, I just got to talk about this Trump coin real quick. It's totally unrelated, but is anybody buying this Trump coin? I mean, it went, when I checked the price on it last night, it was $6. Now it's like $33 or something crazy. So anyway, the market cap is huge on this already. It's tempting to take a little chunk of it just to be part of it. I'm just curious if you guys are into this at all, or if you bought any. You know, let me know what you think about the miner, the Aleo miner, in the description of the video. And this is totally unrelated to the Aleo video, but I just think it's so awesome that we have a president that has launched a meme coin right before he gets inaugurated. I mean, can you be any more bullish when you have a president of the United States launching a meme coin a couple days before the inauguration? That is bullish to me. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to my channel. I got tons of crypto content. And hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about the Aleo miner and Trump coin. All right. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.